In front, in front, in front!
Get the camera, get the camera!
Bobby said 14 fatalities, 19 homes.
There. See, he's right there. See him? Oh! Oh! Oh, shit!
This is Jimmy. We got the EF2000.
He's covering
Spilling all the water from the south.
The thoughts. No way, dude!
I'm gonna touch it.
No, stay back! No, stay back! Hello everybody, we are back in FRRP today. We're doing something a little bit different today, guys. We are doing some storm chasing. I got the old IDI pulled out today. Now you might be asking yourself, this might not be that tornado chasey of a vehicle. But don't worry, Jimmy has told me that he has bought a storm chasing vehicle. And he's supposed to be here any minute now. So Jimmy's gonna be the man, I guess. But all we're doing is we're gonna go get photos of the Johns. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Never done this before. They've evacuated the Sandy Shores area and the Grapeseed area, so we're not gonna see like any traffic. So I don't know. We shall see how it goes. Here comes Jimmy pulling in with this storm chase. There's no way that's what he said in we're back. I thought he said he bought a storm chasing vehicle. I thought you said you bought a storm chasing vehicle.
Yeah, I bought this one off BMU.
What the fuck is that?
The F-350.
But what's on it that makes it a storm chasing vehicle?
I got a hail guard. It can't hail on me.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh Lord, what is the game plan? You know anything about tornadoes?
I've seen them on TV one time.
You seen them on TV? Well, okay. I'm surprised you didn't watch them on TikTok or buy a fake one on BMU.
Yeah.
Jimmy and his
I
BMU.
stole my neighbor's fence and was able to get onto the top.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
I thought you said you bought it like this.
What about the truck?
Looks like my pile of shit. Well, Jimmy, I think out of the contest you won. I only brought this thing out.
Hey, at least you got lights on there.
Lights?
Yeah, you got them fancy lights. I just got this B-mill lights.
Yeah, because I use this for work, Jimmy. This is what I'm doing. I don't know where the gas hole's at on this one.
Yeah, I think I got scammed from BMU. I think it
Yeah,
might be electric. I can't find it.
Oh shit.
What's that noise?
I don't know. The wind's picking up, that's for sure. Wonder if we'll have any competition out here.
I think I seen the news people are supposed to be out there chasing too.
The news people? Who are the news people?
Or like the real
Oh
stuff.
fuck, there's no phone service out here. Lines must have gotten taken down. Ooh. Whoa, dude.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, dude. We might want to get in our vehicles.
Yeah. We can talk on the radio.
Kinda. Alrighty, guys. I kinda hear ya.
Yeah, this wind's pretty loud. We need to figure out what. Do you know what radio channel those other storm chasers are on?
No idea. You have any idea?
Shit. They might work with DOT. Do you think you can see the DOT channel?
I don't know. I'm scanning every open channel other than ours.
That's a smart idea. Let me do that too.
Reverse, reverse, reverse. Direct front, direct front.
They're on 100.1.
Yeah, I hear them.
He coming towards us at this time.
So Jimmy and I don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Tornado's postal 2207. Looks like it's moving towards us.
Oh, it's in Great Sea.
2207? You mean 20?
They got a tornado over in Great Sea.
Looks like debris field's getting pretty big over here in Great Sea.
Yeah, it is. I see debris flying everywhere at this point. Yeah, let's be moving a little bit more south.
Oh god, we're whipping this, John. Oh shit, there's the new guys.
Oh, I see it. The fancy storm chasers.
Yeah, I see them fancy storm chasers.
Why classic always trying to do better than us, one up us.
Here, I'm gonna block them so they can't follow us.
Highway.
Alright, I blocked them.
Good. We gotta be in the right area here.
Alright, moved up to the highway.
Do you see it?
Act on the real way. You're trying to win up me and try to cut me off, it seems.
It's about to hit the electrical thing here. It's about to cross the highway.
Cal, this dumbass is overtaking me.
Oh shit! In front, in front, in front!
Power substation.
Get the camera, get the camera.
Oh shit, dude. This ain't as scary being up close to it as I thought. Oh!
Really dumbass work is this chick that fell in the mud.
Holy fuck, dude.
I'm backing up. It's
You okay there, big dog?
Copy. Copy, moving west.
Holy fuck, dude.
Yeah, let's read in about an E1, possible E2 here in a few minutes. Look like conditions are getting a little bit worse.
Holy shit, Jimmy! You gotta be the announcer here. This shit is crazy.
It's now in the opposite lane.
I think I just seen the cow get sucked up.
Copy,
Holy
it's
fuck,
northbound
I'm getting
lanes.
this all
Looks to
alive.
be, merging on the Union, it seems to be.
Looks like it's gonna hit the
Make sure Nadia is getting this back at the office, Jimmy.
Yeah, I'm asking them back at the office if they can.
Yeah, make sure Nadia is getting this back at the office.
Nadia do copy.
Does Nadia copy?
I think they lost
Looks
power
it could
about
be
15
moving west now instead of south. Or
Damn,
correction,
dude,
north.
look at that truck down there.
That's a fancy truck. One
That
day
is
we're
a
gonna have one of those.
I don't think we can. Jimmy, you're in my shot.
Go pop that. Pop it. Hey, Nadia, can you copy?
I lost eyes.
I think they lost signal.
Copy, it looks like it's going more down in the Union, possibly Grapeseed Main. Or correction, Grapeseed Ave.
Come on, we gotta move, big dog. We gotta move. Holy fuck.
I'll follow that guy.
It's in the trees right here.
Cover that. These storm chasers are trying to be slick following us.
Jimmy's back there following.
I lost him. I'm gonna have to come back to you.
Yeah, I think it's still over here. I don't know what that big dog's doing.
Oh, my brake.
It's crossing the road down here, going towards the train tracks.
Copy. I'm on Grapeseed Avenue now.
I think it's dissolving.
Alright, let's get the money shot.
You should go up and
The money shot? How are we gonna get that?
Get the camera out.
Alright, hold on. Hold on.
Oh, they're rednecks. What do you expect?
Is it,
Back up a little bit. Back up down into the road there. Alright, that's good. That's good.
I'm
That's
over
good.
here at 2054 on Union.
Let's speak way up.
I got negative eyes.
let's prank Jimmy with the...
Hold on.
What are you guys doing over here?
We're making the news. What do you think we're doing?
Sir, oh,
You
since
guys
you're
can't
here,
get too close.
tell us what you saw, sir.
What'd you see, sir?
Across the highway.
What'd you say?
Did it dissolve? Is the tornado
No.
gone?
It's right over there.
Oh.
Across the highway. It's basically on the train tracks right now.
Tornadoes over there. Did anyone die? Did anyone die from it?
You heard it here first. What's your name, sir?
He has to be just dissipated.
What's your name, sir?
You
Bobby.
heard it here first. folks.
Heard it
All
here
levels
first.
just dropped down to 0.
Bobby said 14 fatalities, 19 homes,
You copy car 1?
and he's saying it was an EF6.
Hold on. I gotta stop scanning all the radios. I
Are you
can't
copying me over?
hear myself thinking.
I'm copying.
It looks like you just picked up and it's gonna drop back down somewhere. Get the cover.
Copy.
I'm debating if I want to mute the radio or not and listen to him.
Yeah, I got mine.
Whoa, look at that dude right there.
Get the cover, it's gonna re-drop.
Anyways, he
What?
said we had.
You need to get the cover, it's about to drop down again.
Oh, what the? This is our jobs, man, our careers.
You heard it here first, folks.
All right, Jimmy, stand in front of your truck and start giving a speech.
82 fatalities, 19 homes destroyed, and the mayor's house was ruined. Okay?
Jimmy, say it again. You gotta speak up.
82 fatalities, 19 homes destroyed, and the city's been evacuated.
You heard it here first. Weasel News. What's our company name again?
Car 2 program. I'm getting levels. Grapeseed Main Street area.
I think she's picking back up. Come on, we gotta go, boy.
Red car 2 Bivals can be confirmed touchdown, Grapeseed Main Street.
How come the sirens aren't going off? What's wrong?
I don't know. Something's wrong with it. Dude, we are whipping the fuck out of this bitch right now.
Got it. I got eyes on. Be the 2012 area.
Did you see anything yet?
Not yet. We're gonna see something real soon. Look to your left.
Yeah, it's reading another EF1.
Oh, yeah. It's a big one.
Same one just picked up and moved different spots.
That's by the junkyard right now.
There she is. Holy hell.
Yeah, I'd say that's about an EF20.
An EF20. We got ourselves an EF20, boys. Look at that EF20 down there. Tearing apart the river. Tearing it apart. Where's those other goons at driving out of their big old fancy trucks? Oh, here they are, coming to steal our spots. Yeah, coming to steal our fucking turf. Yeah, get out. Get out of here. This is our spot. We got the best shot in the house.
You heard him here first. He's too scared to get any closer.
I'm driving
How are your levels of blue reading?
$1,000 piece of equipment.
Oh yeah? You think you're fancy? My truck over there costs $8,000.
Car 2 to car 1, you copy. How's your levels reading?
My
over
truck costed $13,000.
It's looking like an EF2 possibly. I'm getting interviewed by these annoying.
EF20, you hear that? It's an EF20.
Tell them to get back in their trucks and go home.
You guys need to get back in your trucks and go home.
Nah, we're getting this EF20 on camera. We're gonna sell it. We're gonna put it on YouTube and make a. We're gonna put it on YouTube, man. Damn, dude, that's actually really cool to see. There they are setting up down there.
Never thought my whole life I'd see an EF20.
And I know, an EF20. Hey, that looks like it's coming towards us.
Let me see.
I can't tell. It's an EF20. What do you expect?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not trained. I don't.
It looks like a lot of debris flying around. Definitely confirmed.
Bro, imagine the views we're gonna get on Life Invader.
EF2 confirmed.
Oh my G. I see a girl in a bikini over there.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah.
All right. It looks like it's
moving toward
down to an
2025.
EF19 now.
An EF19. Okay.
Runway 2030.
Heard it here first. An EF19. He's going to
I think it's gonna jump this dirt road. Go across the dirt road here.
Oh my god.
We gotta get closer, man.
I think you're right. He's all
I only
over.
had a couple.
He's all over there.
I see it.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Holy shit!
Good lane.
Get the camera.
You gotta step back. Step back. I can't catch you. You're too close. Alright, that's good.
We got an EF19 on the ground.
I probably don't
Speak
like
up! Speak up! Speak up!
It's killed 42
it.
families.
Straight towards Good lane. I'm seeing on the map here. The radar map showing moving to Good lane.
Hey, what do you think will happen if I got touched?
If you did what?
If I touched the tornado?
Punch the tornado? I don't think that's a good idea. I might never see you again. The great city of Sandy Shores would no longer have a police chief.
I'm gonna go touch it.
No, stay back. No, stay back. Stay back.
Hell!
Get back, Jimmy, get back. Get back. Why is he on fire?
Hell! Thinking that one's not gonna lie.
Get back here, you retard.
Yeah. The Jode Lane 2029 area.
You dumb motherfuckers.
What?
Your friend just got sucked up.
No, he just ran out there. See, he's right there. See him? Oh! Oh shit!
So stuck into it.
Dumb idiots just got your friend killed.
Nah, he'll be
The
alright.
rest of your life.
He drank milk for dinner. He drank milk. Listen, pal, he drank milk for dinner. That extra potassium is gonna make his bones strong whenever he lands.
You guys should stick the fucking shitty,
Yeah. You guys and your fancy toys. Jimmy, where are you at? I know you had milk for dinner.
Hey, Frank, looks like it's about to jump on the Jode Lane here momentarily. Reading EF2 levels, EF2 levels.
We got an EF19, boy. Get back over here. It's all that milk you drank for dinner.
Did you see it?
I saw you get ripped across the airfield.
I'll be okay. My legs hurt though.
Good thing you didn't get sucked up into the fucker.
Jumping onto the road here momentarily. Looks like it's taking off.
Oh, that's it.
I think it's dissipated.
It dissipated. Man, would you look at that, Jimmy? And another one bites the dust.
Looks to be
Woo-wee! What a tornado we just fought. What's wrong? You guys just out here because you got your fancy toys thinking you're so cool? We're having a party, boy.
Y'all ain't jack.
Huh?
Y'all
I'm
are
fucking die.
I'm fucking.
Nah.
Don't mess with
It was
me.
that milk he drank for dinner that saved him. You know, he got ripped across the airfield. The potassium.
Y'all fake tornado chasers are the reason society's this way. You know?
Bro, we ain't no faking. Jimmy, are we fake? Were we not chasing an actual tornado there?
Real tornado.
Yeah, that clearly was a fake tornado that we just got videos
Y'all
of.
real. What are those fucking
Bro, Jimmy just picked this up off of B-Moo, man.
I'm gonna show you the what for if you keep talking.
Yeah, we were looking at an EF20 up there, okay? You guys probably never seen an EF20 in your life. It's just what we get around these parts.
Is that like a fucking Windows 2 in that computer in there?
A Windows 2? What do you do? Do you don't even know
talking
computers?
Shit about my truck, man.
Oh, you pissed off the wrong person now, boy. Ladies. You go back to your little shitster joke, whatever you guys are running.
Yeah, put that shit back. Good
You
boy.
guys go, you rich boys, you daddy's money, go play with your daddy's toys. We're gonna keep doing what we gotta do.
I'm rolling in right now.
We actually work for our shit around here, daddy's money.
car 2 copies.
Someone's got a rich dad.
Where's the tornado at?
I don't know. I think we need to go hit a little repair shop down the road.
Yeah, probably.
My cousin 2 Jenks, he's down here. He's got a barn.
Confirmed touchdown.
Wait a minute.
2020, 2019, 2018 area.
Is that another EF20?
I think so.
Turn on your lights so I can see you. Okay.
All right, come on. Let's go get our trucks fixed up really quick.
Car 2 here. If I'm reading levels of shut off, looks like tornadoes
Hopefully
going
the,
upwards. In the
What?
sky. Looks like a left
hopefully the
area.
bastards leave us alone now.
I'm hoping. I haven't seen them for a little while. Let's go check around.
We need to go get his insurance.
What?
We need to go get his insurance.
Yeah, really. That was a hit and run. You saw we're both peace officers.
Yeah, fucking hit him with my car. Go this way, see if I see him. I found him. He's on TV. We're going towards the upper.
Yeah, I got the other dude down here too.
I got the one that hit you. We're going to the O'Neill Farm. We're at the O'Neill Farm.
Car 2's crackhead trying to run me off the road. An O'Neill ranch.
Dude, I think it's time to cut your losses. Oh my god! I see him move. Oh my lord.
His fancy truck's way faster than mine is.
I'm after the real fancy one.
I'm reading another touchdown level in the area great feed again. Looks like a cop is working his way up to an EF1. So I'm confirmed if it's a confirmed touchdown.
They're saying they got a touchdown on the radio.
Where you at?
2024.
Or to your extension, if you haven't already, make sure you go and put the tornado warning out, please. Okay, so I'm reading confirmed touchdown levels in the area of 2035 Fiji Road. The reading in the Alamo Sea, possible water spout. Confirmed touchdown, water spout. I'll read the levels of EF2, EF2.
We got an EF200 on the radio.
I'm on my way.
Oh shit. I better get out of the circle here.
Seems like signs are lifting now.
What the hell,
Little
man?
quick little touchdown. It's out of here now.
Looks like we got clear weather.
That's lame.
Looking at the radar here and the sensors. I don't have.
Regrouping time.
Yeah, we're not too good at this whole storm chasing shit.
What do you mean? We caught 3 tornadoes.
Yeah, but they got away every time.
What do you mean they got away?
Aren't we supposed to catch them?
No!
Oh, shit.
You're fucking stupid. Oh, Lord. Aren't you supposed to catch them?
On to the route. I'm reading more levels in there.
Come on, Jimmy! It's behind us!
Also confirmed touchdown. Stand by.
It's pretty cold out here.
Yeah.
Alright, do you see the tornado yet?
I see it forming.
Alright, go catch it. Do you think we can fit it in a drawer?
No.
Third to go. I think it's a confirmed touchdown.
Look at these fancy trucks. Get out of my way.
Pencil note.
That's what I'm saying, boy.
Two reading levels of an EF1, possibly moving up to.
We got an EF20!
Looks to be reaching land here.
I think that's an EF2000.
We got an EF20. Here, Jimmy, let me, stay right there. You're gonna have to speak up. Speak up loud, boy.
This is Jimmy.
Speak up a little bit more. Move to your right.
Be moving westbound.
No, your left. Your other right. Speak up. No, that's too far down.
Correction, now looks to be.
Okay, that's fine.
going
Just
eastbound.
speak up.
This is Jimmy. This is Jimmy. We got an EF2000.
Eastbound will be
Still in all the water
Phoebe
from the
Road
town.
Still is going to be a water spout.
I think we had at least 52,000 casualties.
52.
At least
Looks like it's slowly starting to
14,000
dissipate a
cows
little
have been
bit.
sucked up into the
Reading
tornado.
levels are going down.
There she goes. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Jimmy, look this way.
Oh, my bad.
What do you say, Jimmy?
Fuck the fancy storm chasers.
We've heard it here first. You've heard it here first, right, Jimmy?
Yep. You heard it here first. Live on Weasel News.
Definitely not Weasel. It is, what? Oh, I don't know.
Sneasel News.
Sneasel News, boy. Fuck you, bitch. Come on, Jimmy. I'm such a dick.
I'm on my way.
Alright. Oh, shit. One.
I think the tornado's over here. Maybe we should stay back. Oh my god.
What?
The fancy cars just flipped over.
Oh, shit, really?
I think they got hit by the tornado. You see him down there?
No, they're just sitting there hanging. I see them. They're just sitting down there. Oh, shit. One of them's laying on the ground.
I think they got thrown by the tornado, man.
They landed on their wheels. I don't know, man.
This is Jimmy with Sneasel News. Unfortunately, tonight we have lost 2 shitty storm chasers. And, Sneasel News is the last remaining storm chasing company.
Sneasel News.